In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text animations in CapCut PC. If you want your video titles to pop, slide, or fade onto the screen smoothly, this is a quick and easy way to do it. We'll be working directly inside CapCut PC, and the good news is that text animations can be applied in just a few clicks once you know where to look. To begin, go down to your timeline and select the text layer you want to animate. Click once directly on the text block. When it's highlighted, CapCut recognizes that this is the layer you want to edit, and that will activate the text styling and animation controls in the settings panel on the upper right side of the screen. If you don't see the correct options, make sure the text clip itself is selected and not another video or audio layer. Next, move over to the settings control panel in the top right corner and look for the sub-tab labeled Animation. Click on it to open the full set of motion presets available for your text. This section is where CapCut groups together all the built-in animation styles, so if you want movement without manually keyframing anything, this is the place to be. Once the Animation tab is open, look at the top of the animation library. You'll see three categories: In, Out, and Loop. In controls how your text enters the screen, Out controls how it leaves, and Loop gives it continuous motion while it stays visible. For this example, choose In, then scroll through the preset tiles and click on a style you like, such as typewriter or fade in. As soon as you click a preset, CapCut applies it instantly to your selected text, which makes it easy to preview different looks very quickly. After choosing your animation style, you can fine-tune the timing using the duration slider located beneath the preset tiles in that same panel. Drag the slider to the left if you want the animation to happen faster. Drag it to the right if you want a slower, smoother entrance. This is especially useful if your title feels too abrupt or too delayed. As you adjust it, keep an eye on the preview window so you can see the result in real time and match the pacing of your video. And that's it. By selecting the text layer, opening the Animation tab, choosing the right motion category, and adjusting the duration, you can create polished text movement in just a few quick steps. You're all set? Done.